Yeah, good morning everybody. This is Tejas. I'm a proprietor of company Cabin Arts, who is a specialist in the post-printing operation and servicing to the industry since last almost 17-18 years. I do the foil stamping, embossing, spot UV, thermal lamination, flocking, and latestly and recently introduced the process of the doming also. The most important part of my career is that being a electronic engineer, computer hardware specialization, I am in the field of a service industry. That's only because I am having 100% job satisfaction, and the reason behind the job satisfaction is that I enjoy my every minute of my work, and that's the thing one should have in the life. Subject to Tally, the wonderful exercise has been taken care by Mr. Pankaj Gilra. He's a senior manager of business development group of Tally, and I'm sure Mr. Rahul he's an assistant manager of the business development. Across us, they've made a wonderful exercise for giving the promotion to the Tally. But I say I think so, I don't think so Tally requires any advertisement. I said very previously also, like Nokia doesn't need any advertisement. Nokia means mobile, means Nokia. Like Bisleri doesn't need any advertisement. You don't need any campaign for promoting your product. Like Bisleri means like it's a drinking water. The best in the world is a Bisleri. Whether you buy Kinley or Aquafina, you say Bisleri. The same way when you go for a mobile, always you try to go for a Nokia. And the same way in the accounting. My past 17-18 years of experience says Tally has no comparison. I'm sure no one has yet substituted Tally, rather I would say. Many people might have been tried with the overcome with the Tally, but Tally has got no alternative. Honestly speaking, being an electronic engineer, zero knowledge about the accounts. I don't know what is credit, what is debit. Seriously, don't misunderstand me, but still I don't know what is credit, what is debit. But Tally made us very simplified. You know, you just have to click and just forget it. Like now with the introduction of the ERP 9, and I think so ERP 9 plus something, I think so something more and more new things are coming with the Tally, and which is wonderful. I think so it is out of world. They are trying to interact with not only with the accounting part. What I've been understood in last weeks or 10 days of exercise with Mr. Pankaj, they are trying to introduce more customer friendly, more convenient for anybody. Like it's not just a software, or it's not just a accounting part for the business people. It is like, you know, their slogan says it is power of simplicity. There I think so they should say like high power of simplicity now, I think so. I wish them a very good luck. There are certain suggestions I required to give them. They need to make it more simplified on this thing. Tally backup, back office support should be more improved, because like that's the most important part of any product, rather I would say. There is a wonderful product they have introduced, that Tally Touch. It's really touching. It's really touching. They have covered a lot of segments, which is really helping, going to help the industry. And initiative has been already taken. We have already come up with some new things, like with their reference to this, I have been told to give the references for the Tally support, like Tally Touch and Tally group. I said that you don't require as such any advertisement, but though it was a campaign and it was required, I given a reference of Mr. Rajul Shah. He's my associated business associated person, as well as a very good friend of mine, childhood friend. He's having a wonderful industry. He's in the construction line, having a wonderful forthcoming projects also. And he has been also satisfied. Mr. Pankaj has taken what do you say, like call for the small meeting with Mr. Rajul Shah, and being assembled with their assistant Vijay and Mr. Ajay. They have been impressed a lot. Mr. Rajul has given a lot of regards for the Tally, and Mr. Pankaj as well. It's really Tally Touch is going to make the new world, I suppose. Tally Touch is going to make a new world. I wish them a very good luck and hope to improve whenever it requires by any individual customer. That's the only request to any organization or any group of companies, which is I am doing right now for my individual customer. A smallest possible demand is being taken care by us, and that's the reason I am a most successful person in the printing industry. Anything else? I think so. I don't have to say anything. I'm sure you understood everything. Go for Tally. Thank you very much.